We're going to make some laundry detergent. We're going to use some Dawn dish soap. Any dish soap will work. 20 Mule Team Borax. And this is the last of my washing soda. And I'm going to show you super quick and easy how to. I'm going to start by adding a half a cup of washing soda. Next we'll add a half a cup of 20 Mule Team Borax. Next we'll add, this is already warmed up, just under 8 cups of hot water. And the hotter the better. We don't want it boiling, but we do want it fairly warm. Next you're going to spin your cap on, get that tight. And then you're just going to vigorously shake this. And we're going to dissolve that powder that's at the bottom. I'm going to shake this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Next you'll add a half a cup of Dawn dish soap. Any kind of dish soap will work. It doesn't have to be Dawn. And then I always put a little bit more because you don't get it all poured out. And then what I can do is I'm going to stop here. And then there's probably, well, there is enough dish soap in here. I can do a little load of dishes as well. Next we're going to put that cap back on tight. And then we're just going to shake this. We want to shake it after. If we put the liquid dish soap in first and shake it, we're just going to have a mess. So do it last, put the dish soap in last. Hopefully this helps. And if you have a high efficiency washing machine, you're going to use about a 1/4 cup of this. If you have a top loader, you can use about a 1/2 to 3/4 cup. What I like to do then is when I run out of my commercial laundry detergent, I'll just pour these containers in there, and then that measuring cup's already there, and I don't need a separate measuring cup, and nobody wants to pour out of a 2-liter bottle. So I'll just convert these to the commercial laundry detergent bottle, and I'll just use the dispenser that's on that. And I just made all of this, so I bought this 20 Mule Team Borax. I spent $3 for the baking soda for 2 pounds of it, and this was $4, so I'm into that for $7. It's about 1/3 a box of that. So I'm probably into the whole deal here for under $10. And I got 1, 2, 3 and a half containers, so about $45. So I saved about $30 plus doing this on my own. It's fun, something different to try. You do have to, before you use it, give it a little spin. As you can see here, we have some of this soap coagulated towards the top, and it's a little thinner at the bottom. So you are just gonna give it a quick shake before you use it, and then you're good to go. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.